Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about definite integral as a limit of sum. Today we discussing about the properties of definite integrals. Okay, so write down one properties. Integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is one formula. Okay. 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. X is replaced by a minus x. The proof I have already discussed. By using this formula, we have to work out some problems. Write down very important problem. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x divided by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x dx. Okay, suppose it is I means it is integral. Here it is fx is this, fx is this, a is pi by 2. Whenever you see x, then it is replaced by pi by 2 minus x. जोठी देखियो x, सिटी पकेइबो pi by 2 minus x. Here it is fx. So the integral becomes integration of 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin pi by 2 minus x divided by root over of sin pi by 2 minus x plus root over of cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. We know sin pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x. So here it is root over of cos x divided by root over of cos x. Here it is cos pi by 2 minus x, that is root over of sin x dx. This is also I. Now adding I plus I, it is 1. Here it is 2. Adding the same I plus I plus I, that will be integration from 0 to pi by 2. So write down 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x divided by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x dx plus integration of 0 to pi by 2 root over of cos x divided by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x dx. And the denominator is same, so numerator will be added. So that can be written as integration of 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x plus root over of cos x divided by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x dx. So this cancelled with this. So we get integration of dx 0 to pi by 2. Here it is dx. Integration of dx, that is x. X evaluated from 0 to pi by 2. So first of all we have to put the upper limit minus lower limit. Here it is pi by 2. 2i is equal to pi by 2. Write down 2i is equal to pi by 2. So I is equal to pi by 4. So the result is pi by 4. This is very important question. Very important question you have to do in this manner. So okay, let us take another example. Write down Another example. Integration of 0 to pi by 2. Here it is dx by 1 plus tan x. Dx by 1 plus tan x. Here it is fx. Here it is fx. Here it is I. Whenever you have to shift x, then it is replaced by pi by 2 minus x. Applying this formula, 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. जोटी देखियो x पकेइबो pi by 2 minus x. So the integral becomes 0 to pi by 2. Here it is dx by 1 plus tan pi by 2 minus x. Tan pi by 2 minus x, that is cot x. So 0 to pi by 2. Here it is dx by 1 plus tan pi by 2 minus x, that is cot x. Okay, cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So you have to write 0 to pi by 2. Here it is dx. Here it is 1 plus 1 by tan x. Cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So you have to take the LCM. So we get integration of 0 to pi by 2. Tan x will be go to numerator. Tan x divided by tan x plus 1. So this is also I. Here it is I. Here it is also I. I plus I. Write down I plus I. I plus I, we get integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 plus tan x. Here it is 0 to pi by 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. So 2I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Here it is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx. Denominator same, numerator will be added up. So 1 plus tan x cancel. That is dx. Integration of dx is x evaluated from 0 to pi by 2. So the result is pi by 2. 2y is equal to pi by 2. So I will becomes pi by 4. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. I is equal to pi by 4. So let us take another question. Integration of 0 to 1 root x divided by root x plus 1 minus x dx. Here it is a question. A is 1 here. Here it is fx. Here it is fx. Whenever you have to see x, then it is replaced by 1 minus x. So that can be written as 0 to 1. Here it is x is replaced by 1 minus x. 1 minus x divided by 8 is 1 minus x plus here it is root over of 1 minus 1 minus x into dx. So that can be written as 0 to 1. Here it is 1 minus x dx divided by 1 minus x plus it is 1 cancel, minus minus plus, that is root x. This is also I plus I added. I plus I, write down I plus I. Integration of 0 to 1 root over of x divided by root over of x plus 1 minus x dx plus, here it is integration of 0 to 1 minus x divided by, here it is 1 minus x plus it is root x dx. Denominator same, so numerator will be added up. So that will be integral of 0 to 1. Here it is root x plus 1 minus root x divided by root x plus 1 minus x dx. So this cancel. So integration of dx, that is x evaluated from 0 to 1. So upper limit put x 1 minus 0. So 2y is equal to 1. So I is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer of this question. I is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So let us take another example. Let us take another example by using this formula. Question: integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 3 by 2 x divided by sine to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x into dx. So this is treated as I. Here it is fx. Fx is this. Whenever you see x, then it is replaced by pi by 2 minus x. जोठी देखियो x सिटी पकेबो pi by 2 minus x. So that will be integration from 0 to pi by 2. Here it is sine pi by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 2 divided by sine pi by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus cos pi by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 2 into dx. Sin pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x. So that can be written as 0 to pi by 2. Here it is cos 3 by 2 x divided by, here it is sin pi by 2 minus x cos 3 by 2x plus cos pi by 2 minus x, that is sin 3 by 2x dx. This is also I. Now I plus I, write down I plus I added up 0 to pi by 2. Here it is sin to the power 3 by 2x divided by sin 3 by 2x plus cos 3 by 2x dx plus integration from 0 to pi by 2. Here it is cos 3 by 2x dx divided by sin to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x. Denominator same, so numerator will be added up. So 2i is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2. Here it is sin to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x whole into dx divided by sin to the power 3 by 2 x cos to the power 3 by 2 x. So this cancelled with this. So integration of dx, that is x evaluated from 0 to pi by 2. So the result is pi by 2. Okay, 2i is equal to pi by 2. So I becomes pi by 4. I is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Using this formula, you have to work out some problems. Write down the homework. Homework of this question. Write down homework. HW. Using this formula, you have to work out 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 plus root over of cot x to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. Third one, integration from 0 to pi by 2. Here it is dx by 1 plus cot x. IV, integration from 0 to pi by 2 dx by, here it is 1 plus root over of tan x. Another question is V, 0 to 2 root over of x by root over of x plus root over of 2 minus x dx. You have to work out these problems by using this formula. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel.